Imagine casting your vote with the confidence that your voice is heard exactly as you intended, without fear of tampering, fraud, or mistakes. Picture a system where every single vote is securely recorded and transparently verified, much like checking the ingredients on your favorite snacks label to know exactly what you're getting. This isn't a futuristic dream, it's the promise of blockchain technology and revolutionizing voting systems. Today, we're exploring how blockchain can ensure transparency, security, and trust in our elections, turning the democratic process into something as reliable as your daily cup of coffee. Welcome to EduTube's Blockchain series. I'm excited to have you join us for the 14th episode of Module 3, where we delve into blockchain for voting systems, ensuring transparency and security. Voting is the cornerstone of any democracy, but traditional voting systems often struggle with issues like fraud, human error, and lack of transparency. Many of us have experienced the frustration of waiting for election results or questioning the accuracy of the count. Blockchain technology offers a fresh perspective by introducing a secure, decentralized, and tamper-proof way to record votes. In today's video, we will break down how blockchain can transform voting, making elections more transparent and trustworthy, and ensuring that every vote truly counts. Let's start by understanding the challenges of traditional voting systems. In many countries, voting relies on paper ballots, centralized databases, or electronic systems that are vulnerable to manipulation. For example, imagine a classroom election where the teacher collects votes on pieces of paper. If those papers are lost, miscounted, or tampered with, the final result can be called into question. Now, scale that scenario to a national election, and you can see why ensuring the integrity of every vote is so critical. Blockchain steps in as a solution by creating a digital ledger, a record that is decentralized, immutable, and transparent. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how blockchain can be applied to voting systems. 1. Voter registration and identity verification. Before any vote is cast, eligible voters must be registered. In a blockchain-based system, each voter's identity can be verified and assigned a unique digital ID. This process is similar to how a bank account is created. Once you're verified, you can securely access your account. With blockchain, this digital identity ensures that each person can only vote once, eliminating the possibility of duplicate or fraudulent entries. 2. Casting a vote. When it's time to vote, each individual uses their digital ID to cast a vote through a secure application. Think of it like using your smartphone to send a secure message. Once you select your candidate or option, your vote is encrypted, ensuring that your choices remain private. This encryption is like putting your vote in a sealed envelope that only you can open, protecting your personal preferences from prying eyes. 3. Recording the vote on the blockchain. After you cast your vote, it is recorded as a transaction on the blockchain. Each vote is added to a block, which is then linked to previous votes in a chain that no one can alter. This is similar to writing your vote on a permanent chalkboard where every entry is visible and unchangeable. Every time a block is added, the system verifies the vote through consensus among multiple nodes, computers, in the network. This decentralized verification process makes it nearly impossible for anyone to manipulate the results. 4. Transparency and auditability. One of the most powerful features of blockchain is its transparency. Once votes are recorded, anyone can audit the blockchain to confirm that all votes are legitimate and that none have been altered or removed. Imagine a community bulletin board where every vote is posted for public viewing, but the identity behind each vote remains confidential. This level of openness builds trust in the electoral process and reassures voters that the results are accurate. 5. Quick and secure vote. Counting. Traditional elections often require days or even weeks to count votes accurately. With blockchain, vote counting can be automated and done in real time. As each vote is added, the total updates instantly, much like a digital scoreboard at a sports game. This immediate feedback not only speeds up the process, but also minimizes human errors that can occur during manual counting. Daily life examples. Consider a neighborhood association deciding on a new park design. In the past, members might have written their votes on slips of paper, and disputes could arise about the final count. Now, imagine using a blockchain-based system where every vote is securely recorded on a shared digital ledger, visible to all members. This process ensures fairness, as every vote is accounted for, and no one can change the result once it's been recorded. Another everyday example is online surveys or polls. When you participate in an online poll, you want to be sure that your response isn't lost or tampered with. Blockchain can provide that assurance by securely storing every response, giving everyone confidence in the final outcome. This same principle, when applied to national elections, has the potential to restore faith in the democratic process. Challenges and opportunities. While the benefits of blockchain in voting are compelling, there are challenges to consider. Implementing a blockchain-based voting system requires significant investment in technology and infrastructure, as well as training for both officials and voters. There are also concerns about the digital divide. Not everyone may have access to the necessary technology or the skills to use it. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. With thoughtful planning, pilot programs, and government support, blockchain can be integrated into voting systems gradually and effectively. Moreover, blockchain offers opportunities beyond secure vote counting. It can be used to ensure the transparency of campaign financing, track political donations, and even manage public records in a way that reduces corruption. As technology continues to evolve, the potential for blockchain to enhance various aspects of our democratic processes becomes even more exciting. Conclusion. In summary, blockchain technology holds the promise of transforming voting systems by making them more secure, transparent, and efficient. From secure voter registration and encrypted vote casting to immutable record-keeping and real-time vote counting, blockchain addresses many of the challenges faced by traditional voting methods. By building a system where every vote is recorded accurately and openly audited, we can restore trust in the electoral process and ensure that democracy works for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into blockchain for voting systems. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next episode in the blockchain series, where we continue to explore how this innovative technology is reshaping our world. Until next time, keep questioning, stay informed, and remember,